Hi there, welcome to TechWithBayo. Are you ready to unlock your tech potential and start coding amazing things on the web? Then you're in the right place. My name is Adebayo and I'm here to guide you step by step as we dive into the exciting world of web development. You don't need to be a genius to learn coding, and you definitely don't need a computer science degree. All you need is the willingness to learn, and I will show you how to turn those small efforts into big wins. Web development is a life-changing skill that opens doors to endless opportunities. Whether you want to start freelancing, create a dream project, or land a high-paying job. So, what is TechWithBayo all about? This channel is here to simplify the tech world for you. I will be teaching you everything you need to know, starting with the basics: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And don't worry if you're a beginner. I will make it fun, simple, and practical. Step by step, you'll be building real web projects and gaining confidence in no time. I started TechWithBayo because I believe technology should be accessible to everyone. I want you to see how fun and rewarding learning to code can be. So, if you are ready to transform your tech journey, don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button now and turn on the notification bell. Let's make your coding dreams a reality together. I can't wait to share my first tutorial with you. Let's get coding and create something amazing. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.